Every spring, around mid-March, hundreds of thousands of birds arrive at the Jingxin Wetland of northeast China's Jilin Province. It turns this remote area into a fascinating paradise for these migrant birds. The Jingxin Wetland is located on the border of China, Russia, and North Korea. The diverse environment and humid climate make it an important stopover for migrating birds. Seagulls are common here because it is very close to the Sea of Japan. These birds begin their journey back north after winter, and this is the last stop before leaving China. Here, they rest and feed. Many large predatory birds, such as golden eagles, white-tailed sea eagles, and Steller's sea eagles, are frequent visitors. They are rare and endangered species in the world and are listed as protected animals at a national level in China. Among these species, the Steller's sea eagles are especially rare, with only a few thousand remaining in the world. Now, more and more rare birds, such as Chinese mergansers and red-crowned cranes, are being found in the Jingxin Wetland, attracting hundreds of photographers. So as not to disturb the birds, the photographers wait quietly in the specified location. They wait patiently among the gathering of birds for the right moment to capture an amazing moment in nature.